Hello. In my last video, which was how to work out a person's age, I gave a neat method I picked up for subtracting a number from a big 1000 number above it. Let's do one more example of that. First, 100,000 minus 53,892. Well, again, you just make up each number to 9 and then the last one to 10. So that's 46108. No need to write out the numbers and do all the carrying or to fish out the calculator. With practice, you can impress your friends and mobilize your brain and produce a very quick answer. Now, let's look at subtracting two big numbers with digits other than a lot of zeros. If it's something like this, then it's easy, no carrying, because each number being subtracted is smaller than the number it is to be subtracted from. But what if we have something like 98,765 minus 9,887? Now each number being subtracted is bigger than the number it is to be subtracted from. So there will be a lot of carrying, doing it the old-fashioned way that I learned at school. Anyway, I don't know what they teach these days, but here's the trick. We start as we did above and subtract 9,877 from the next big 100 number above it, which is 10,000. And so we get this becomes 0, this becomes 1, this becomes 1, and that becomes 3. Now we add this to our first number, which is easy. Again, no carrying. 98,878. And then we subtract 10,000, and there's our answer. This works because, as you can see from these brackets, we're adding 10,000 here, and then we subtract it here. We just add it in because it makes the calculations easier. Well, it looks a bit long and involved when you write it out like that, but it isn't really. And with practice, you can do it in your head quickly. Here's another example. 102,345 minus 78,596. And again, you see each of the digits here is bigger than the corresponding digits here. So again, we first subtract this number from the next big 000 number above it, which again easily produces 21404. And then just subtract the 100,000 from the original number, and there is our answer. At the end, you round the numbers to do a rough check to make sure you haven't missed a 0 somewhere. Check that your answer is in the right ballpark, as they say. So this is roughly 100,000 take away 80,000. So yes, around about 20,000. We'd expect it to be a little bit more than 20,000, and so it is. So there's our answer. Thank you. That's it.